new rebuild, the things we do to get content out there. Winter storm advisory, and I'm out driving to pick up a new rebuild project that you guys will be seeing very shortly. Well, time to kind of reveal on what kind of vehicle I purchased. We'll go down the good side. This is a 2010 Ford Edge. Just the standard. It's not four-wheel drive, it's two-wheel drive. I noticed there's a little bit of rust or a little bit of paint chips here. That's not the worst part of it. I'll get inside pitch view here before too long. I got unloaded off the trailer. But yeah, this is the easy. This is not the bad side. The bad side's over here. It got a hit. I'm hoping this is a rebuild. I have a few friends that have a few of these that they're parting out, so I might be able to get some parts from them. Most of this is spot welded on, so we'll look into it before I decide if I'm gonna fix it or if I'm gonna just part it out and keep it for parts. There is a little bit of more damage than I expected, but I do have a frame machine, so I might be able to fix it, take panels out and replace them. Don't know until I get into it. We'll find out. There's a front rim. That thing's destroyed. Here's a little bit of a look at the Ford Edge. Don't know if this is going to be a rebuild yet or not. Got to dig into it. This apron is bent pretty good. I'm going to look into finding some parts for it. This is even bent. But that'll straighten back out if I pull that up and pull that back out. I got the battery on the charger right now. None of the airbags deployed in this car. Here's the interior. Not that great of a picture. None, the seat belts didn't lock. None of the airbags deployed. None of the airbags deployed. None of the airbags deployed. I mean, it is what it is. We're gonna find out if it's gonna be a rebuild or if it's gonna be a parts car. A little bit damage over there, but that's nothing. Car's got like 115,000 miles or something on it, so I don't know if I will fix it or not. We'll see. I'd like to get it to run. The battery's on the charger. I'd like to get it to run. Make sure it runs out good. Runs good. I don't see no... sorry about the noise. The heaters on. They're Iowa Hawkeye fans. We live in Iowa. Not a lot of people know that. Some people do, some people don't. But yeah, it's gonna need some work. I don't know if it's gonna be a rebuild or not. We're gonna find out and see if I can find how many parts I can find that ain't gonna cost me an arm and a leg to get. But if you like this part of this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. This I might have got in a little over my head with this, but I don't think so. I'll get it moved into the garage more and throw the frame machine under it and start pulling on some of this stuff, trying to get it back straight to see how much of it's going to come out and how much of it ain't going to come out. But if you like this part of the video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Starting to pull some of the framework out. Not that good a job yet. Still, I'm going to end up replacing a lot of this, but I'm just trying to pull some of it. So some of it's been, so it'll be straightened before I put the new panels on. This is starting to come out. All this is going to be, all the spot welds are going to be drilled on this, and all these panels. This panel here. This panel here, this panel, this panel, this panel, this panel, this panel, this panel, all the way back. There's an inner panel right here, this panel, and this outer section here will be replaced by the time I am done. The only reason why I'm pulling is because I want to try to get some of it straightened out before I do the main poles, or do the rest of the poles on it. Blew the hydraulic cylinder on my frame machine too. Excuse the mess. Blew this hydraulic cylinder. The seal's in it, so I'm gonna have to take it and have it dropped. Take it to the thing. So I'm using this here, using the frame pullers out of here to do chains and stuff in my tower. I'm using the tower, and I'm using the frame things just so I can get this majority of this pulled. Excuse the mess, I am making a mess here. Pick these up on sale. Is what is it, one like 7-piece hydraulic set here from Harbor Freight. Got the little cylinders and all the little different cylinders. They're actually pretty handy. Picked up this air over hydraulic pump for the frame machine. Well, I had to convert it over to use as different things. But I am getting it pulled slowly but surely. This ain't near as bad. This was, you can't even see right here. So I've actually started pulling it quite a bit. Still got a lot to go. I gotta pull that thing, Jesse's gaps on this back door. I think the back door was pushed back a little bit. I don't know about the door opening, but I think the door was pushed back because the other door was over the top of it, because it has a little bit of damage. But this is just a sneak peek. Next part, I'm going to probably end up cutting this loose. Cutting this outer skin loose so I can get to the inner, the more structural piece, and start pulling on it.